The Severance Pay Hospital ranks first in the NCSI ranking of the whole industry in 2021. Samsung CT, Daegu Metropolitan Transit, Kumkang among other notable firms. By Kim Bo-eun. Severance Hospital topped the industry-wide customer satisfaction NCSI ranking this year, with 84 points. The NCSI ranking is determined based on customer evaluations of the company's products and services. The index is released on an annual basis to enhance the competitiveness of firms and industries. The Korea Productivity Center, which publishes the index, ranked 333 companies of 80 sectors for 2021. NCSI is a global index, with its model employed by more than 30 countries around the world, including the US and 20 European countries. Severance Hospital was evaluated by patients as having kept them safe amid the COVID-19 pandemic and having provided other satisfactory services. This is attributed to the hospital's efforts to provide patient-centered services, such as stationing nurses that explain difficult medical terms, setting up a chair inside each elevator for patients, and employing sign language interpreters at the hospital. Severance says its Respect Patients campaign has helped foster a patient-centered culture at the hospital. The hospital sends out cards via the Kakao Messenger app to encourage patients. The hospital also introduced a system through which family members and friends can deliver short messages to patients via an electronic board via QR codes, given physical visits have been limited due to COVID-19. In addition, the hospital has introduced upgraded contactless medical services to prevent the spread of COVID-19. For example, patients can register body symptoms via a kiosk and complete questionnaires via a smartphone app. The application also connects patients with insurers to register for claims and enables them to check their meal plans and drug prescription records. Korea's #1 conglomerate's construction arm, Samsung CT, came second in the industry-wide ranking with 83 points. The company topped the apartment construction industry for 24 straight years. Samsung CT is noted for the apartment construction industry's first serviced apartment brand, Remy and Hestia. The apartment has managers and engineers who develop various programs for residents throughout the year, such as gardening classes and volunteering-based activities. The apartment also offers a smartphone application named Hestia, by which new residents can make reservations to visit their home before moving in, and can upload pictures of issues that need fixing so that the problems can be addressed. App users are able to check the progress of how their complaint is being dealt with. Daegu Metropolitan Transit Corp. Ranked 8th in the industry-wide NCSA ranking, with 81 points. It has topped the urban transit sector's ranking for 13 consecutive years since 2009. The public corporation has been acknowledged for its efforts to prevent the spread of COVID-19 by operating a 24-hour monitoring station and placing antibacterial films in appropriate areas within stations that passengers might come into contact with. This year, the company set up self-temperature measuring devices within stations nearby the baseball stadium in the city, as well as hand sanitizing temperature measuring gear. The company has also been recognized by the Ministry of Interior and Safety and the Presidential Office for such effort. Moreover, the subway station operator has exempted a total of 459 million won in rent and advertising costs for 171 small businesses operating stores within stations. Kumkang has topped the NCSI ranking for the men's dress shoes category for 18 years straight, with its premium handmade shoes brand, Heritage. The brand is noted for its quality offered at reasonable prices. This is possible because Kumkang is the only local dress shoes maker with a local factory. Kumkang also offers a bespoke service, in which a master shoemaker of over 30 years tailors shoes for individual customers. The shoes are created with the master visiting the customer, measuring their feet for shoe size and determining their design choice. The KPC began ranking companies' customer satisfaction levels in 1998.